What is vegetarian meat? While vegetarian burgers have existed for a long time, the new growth has been mostly driven by demand for plant-based meat. Also known as vegan meat, meat substitute, mock meat, meat alternative, imitation meat, or vegetarian meat, plant-based meat, instead of being harvested from real animals, are made from plant products like legumes and lentils. These products are designed and produced to imitate the texture, taste, color, smell and mouthfeel of real meat. Companies have started offering alternative meats to replicate meat products like beef, poultry, and pork. Why are plant-based meats becoming popular? The increasing number of people following veganism as a lifestyle, the practice of abstaining from animal products, is of course driving the growth of plant-based meat. But one of the bigger drivers of growth is the decision of alternative meat companies to promote their products to not just vegans, vegetarians and others of a similar bent, but also to traditional meat eaters. How is vegetarian meat made? When it comes to vegetarian meat, you can barely point out the difference because of its uncanny similarity to actual meat. But how do they replicate it exactly in vegetarian form? Well, a number of ingredients like plant-based proteins, soy, potato protein, pea protein, mung bean protein and even rice protein are used in the process. These ingredients combined with other ingredients give the perfect chewy texture and juiciness to the vegetarian meat as well. How are taste, color and flavors replicated? The texture of soy is quite similar to chicken, but the real question is, how is the flavor mimicked? The exact flavor of chicken is usually given with the help of yeast extract. Yeast extract has a savory flavor, making it a suitable ingredient for vegetarian chicken. Ingredients like onion, garlic, salt and pepper are used to strengthen the flavor, while sugar helps in giving the dark tint to the meat. Many vegetarian meat brands also use beet extract to give the perfect color to the meat. Oils like coconut, sunflower or canola provide fat source to the meat substitutes. Is vegetarian meat healthier? When it comes to replicating non-vegetarian food items, most nutrients make it to the list. Vegetarian substitutes make it healthier by reducing sodium and cholesterol levels that are spiking high in non-veg foods. They also make up for the level of protein that non-veg provides by including plant-based protein and soy. We can't deny the fact that vegetarian meat is a revolutionary invention and also a great option if you wish to ditch non-veg food items but can't let go of the cravings, as veg meat provides a similar taste, texture and aroma. How to choose the best vegetarian meat substitutes. If you are going to eat them, look for products that are lower in fat, saturated fat, sugar and salt. Check that. Fat is 3 grams or less per 100 grams. Saturates are 1.5 grams or less per 100 grams. Sugars are 5 grams or less per 100 grams. Salt is 0.3 grams or less per 100 grams. An adult needs roughly 50 grams of protein over the course of a day, so check the label for protein. Don't forget to look at the ingredients list. Look for products that contain sources of protein like eggs, beans, lentils, chickpeas as one or more of the ingredients. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.